Crafty Hackers. We've got a bunch of ways to keep you fresh and clean. Check out these important hygiene hacks that we think everyone should know. The last one on our list is our absolute favorite. Check these out. The Band-Aid trick. Ouch. Need a Band-Aid? Anyone who has had a cut on the tip of their finger has suffered the frustration of a Band-Aid that just won't stay put. Here's a hack to keep it in place. Take your Band-Aid and cut it up the center, lengthwise. Don't cut all the way to the center, just a slit on both sides. Now apply the pad of your Band-Aid on your cut and wrap the first adhesive flap around. Now overlap with the flap on the opposite side. Overlap again and again until the Band-Aid is secure. See? Now it won't come off so easily. Smelly socks. Here's a trick to keep your toes smelling fresh. If the aroma in your gym socks is kicking you in the nose, give this a try. Take a bit of baking soda and sprinkle it inside your sock with a spoon. Massage the baking soda into your sock. Baking soda is great for absorbing odors. This will keep your feet fresh and happy. Dry armpits. About to give a speech in class? Try this trick to catch the nervous sweat under your arms. This is so clever, we can't believe no one else has thought of it. Just grab a panty liner. Turn your shirt inside out. Cut the panty liner to fit in the seam under your arms on your shirt. Remove the backing and stick it to the inside of the shirt. Now do the other side. Now you don't have to worry about embarrassing sweat marks under your arms. Problem solved. Apple face mask. If your face is feeling a bit dull, bring some life back into it with this DIY face mask. Apples are high in vitamin C, which helps your skin produce collagen. Collagen helps maintain your skin's waterproof barrier, keeping it healthy. Just peel an apple and zest it so that the juices and apple create a paste. Stir it together. Then soak up your apple mixture with a cotton pad and apply it to your skin. Let the mask sit on your face for a few minutes. After it's done soaking in, moisten a towel and dab your face with it. When you're finished, your skin will be glowing and fresh. Bruise treatment. Here's a way to help bruises heal faster. No one likes an unsightly bruise, right? You'll need some Vaseline and an elastic bandage. Apply a thick layer of Vaseline on your bruise. Put a cotton pad on top and wrap the elastic bandage around the area. Leave it on overnight. When you take it off in the morning, you'll see that the bruise has vanished. Like magic. Remove makeup with chapstick. Oh no, look at those raccoon eyes. Need a quick solution? It's probably already in your bag. Just grab your tube of chapstick. Apply a thin layer under your eyes. Wipe away the excess makeup with a tissue. The chapstick will make it slide right off. Much better. Who knew chapstick could be so useful? Remove makeup with cream. Don't you hate it when you're applying red lipstick and you miss? It can be hard to remove the marks from dark colors, but we found an easy way. Just take out your lotion or hand cream and grab a Q-tip. Put a drop of lotion on the end of the Q-tip. Rub the lotion onto the stain and rub it off with the dry end of the Q-tip. Not only is cream good for removing makeup, it also moisturizes your skin. Win-win. Now your red lipstick will look flawless, beautiful, and all you needed was a little bit of cream. Teeth whitening. coffee and tea are delicious, but they can create stains on your teeth, making your smile dull. Here's a popular hack to try. Just get some activated charcoal from your local drugstore. If it's in a tablet, just crush it up with a spoon. Or open the gel caps and sprinkle it into a plate. Use a spray bottle to moisten it. Grab a toothbrush and rub it into the charcoal paste. Now brush it on your teeth. The charcoal binds with the surface stains on your teeth, so let it sit for a couple minutes before rinsing. Swish with water and enjoy your bright new smile. Hello, gorgeous! Acne. Pimples are an unfortunate part of life for most of us, but here's a way to beat those zits into submission. You can use toothpaste to dry out your pimple overnight. Just put a little dab on the end of your finger and apply it to the blemish. Nighty-night! When you wake up, remove the toothpaste with a damp cotton pad. Bye-bye, blemish! DIY antibacterial spray. Want to keep your hands germ-free? Here's a way to make your own antibacterial spray. All you need is some apple cider vinegar, water, your favorite essential oil like lavender or lemon, and baking soda. Put a few teaspoons of apple cider vinegar into a cup. And add water. Now take a spoonful of baking soda and add it to the mix. Stir until the fizzing stops. Add a few drops of your essential oil and stir. Now take a syringe or dropper and fill it up. Squirt the contents into a travel-sized spritz bottle. And that's it. Now you have a fresh-smelling hand sanitizer that you made on your own. Easy, right? Contact lens solution. Run out of contact lens solution? No problem. Just get a bowl of water and some sea salt. Sprinkle the sea salt into the water and stir the solution to dissolve the salt. Take your trusty syringe and squirt your homemade contact solution into a couple of small contact-sized holders. Now you have a place to soak your contacts overnight. Dry shampoo. Here's a recipe for DIY dry shampoo. If your hair is feeling dirty and oily, you can use everyday kitchen supplies to make a dry shampoo for your hair. You'll need some rolled oats and some baking soda. Put some oats into your blender and sprinkle in a little baking soda. Blend the combo in your blender to get it to a fine powder consistency. When you're done, pour it into a bowl. Sprinkle your dry shampoo onto your scalp. Rub it in so it can bind with the oils and dirt, pulling it away from your hair and scalp. When you're done, brush it and enjoy that silky, just washed feeling. It'll make your hair feel smooth and soft. Soap sponge. If you've got an old kitchen towel, here's a good use for it. Grab a bar of soap and wrap it into your towel. Cut the excess towel away. Fold the towel up. You're going to make a little pocket for your soap. Sew the side of your soap pocket. Now sew the other side. Tie the end of the thread to keep it secure. When you're done, turn your new sponge right side out. Put the bar of soap inside the pocket you made. Now you've got a sponge for a luxurious shower or bath. See how it sets? Eyebrow hack. Dealing with unruly eyebrows that just won't stay put no matter how much you brush them? Try this trick. Get some hairspray and your eyebrow brush. Spray the brush with hairspray. And brush it into your eyebrows. The hairspray will keep your eyebrows in place. Very nice. Dry elbow. Let's face it, sometimes the skin on our elbows can get pretty dry, but there's an easy fix for this. Just cut a lemon in half and rub it on your elbow. The lemon juice helps to exfoliate dead skin. When you're done, wipe it with a towel. Those are some good-looking elbows. And that was our important hygiene hacks everyone should know. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like our video below. See you next time!